Hey y'all, what's up? Hey, today I'm going to show you a new knife I got. It's the Kershaw, and it's called the Barricade. Stock number 8650. Now the Barricade is some kind of a survival knife as I understand it. And let's take a look at it. Let's get the box open. There we go. Ah, nice. Alright. Nice plastic handle. Orange. Feels like, probably a fiberglass reinforced plastic. Not sure. Right? It's one of those flip opens. Feels pretty tight back here. Ooh. Flips right open now. Once you give it a little push, it gets going. Let's try that again. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. It's a nice looking blade there. Pretty sharp, pretty sharp. Oh yeah, nice and sharp. Yeah, save some hairs. Got a nice little finger guard here, or a little finger bump. That feels pretty good. Feels like a good working knife. Okay. See, it's got a small clip. I like that. See, it's 8650 patented HCR13MCV MOV. See if we can get that. There we go. Yeah. Patented. But made in China. I thought Kershaw was made in USA. Oh well, maybe this one model is made in China. This is the Kershaw Speed. It's a Speedsafe. It's called. I don't know. I kind of like it. And this is the glass breaker. Well, I imagined that being a little bit bigger than that. See that? Yeah, I thought it was bigger. I thought it was like the size, thickness of the blade here. I guess I was wrong, but I'm sure this will do the same damage. It'll definitely, once it hits the window, it shatters. So, that's for car windows. So, if you're not going to carry this on your person, it's a good one to keep in your car. It has this seatbelt cutter. You just slide the seatbelt in there and hope it rips open, which is not as easy as this sounds, but you do have the nice sharp knife here too. That'll do a nice job getting the seatbelt cut. So either way, you're going to get out of there. So like I said, if you're not a person that would keep one of these in his car, in your pocket, keep it in your car, right? Anyway, I think I like this as a carry knife, but I might keep this one in my car. I do have a number of knives I carry on me, for different things. Swiss Army knife, small knife. This is nice though. Anyway, we're going to be doing a couple more knife reviews coming up, just to show you what we got here. This is a pretty nice blade. And I tell you, this it's really sharp. I could do this because my fingers are full of calluses. So I could just slide it along there and I could tell how sharp something is. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'm just going to leave this be a small review for this Kershaw Barricade. And we're going to move on to the next one soon. Maybe another knife, maybe something else. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you wouldn't have. And We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. You know, further looking at this knife, I want to say that you can flip the clip from this side to this side. Just take the screws out. You can see how the screws are set up for the clip to be on either side, right? Now, I'm not sure if you could put it on this side, but I was saying how it feels good. It feels good in your left hand, right? This clip isn't bothering me, right? But in my right hand, it just doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it's me, but I am kind of a lefty with a knife, so maybe it's me. The clip really doesn't get in the way. But anyway, you can move the clip to the back, which is not recommended, but you can do it. Right? See the two holes down there? You can just unscrew it. I think it's like a T6 Torx. It's not an Allen. Okay? And you can flip that over to this side. Then you will be carrying it this way. Right? So this way you're carrying it this way, right? And this way. I don't know, I might want it this way. You know, that way you can reach in your pocket and be ready. Whack. Right? So, I don't know. I think I might put it on this side. Yep. Kind of like carrying it the other way. Like this. Down. Anyway, just another thought. I wonder if you could put it on this side. Imagine you can. It's no more rougher than this side is. And I guess these screws would go halfway in on both sides. Yeah. So I guess you could put it on either side. You just can't put it on the front side of this one. At least that's what it looks like. I haven't tried it. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know if it's going to work either way. This is crooked. Yeah, maybe not. I'd have to try it. But it doesn't make sense that you can hold it the other way. I'll have to try that at another time. And if anybody already knows, let me know in the comments section. If I just made you know, I guess it would work. It looks like it would work. We'll be coming down this way to about here. Yeah, that would work. That would come out this way. It's only a short one though too, so let's see how many fingers that is. 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Yeah, it's just coming to here. So that's doable. Anyway, let me know if you have any comments on that. And no need to test the sharpness. We know how sharp it is, especially these 2 razor blades here for a seatbelt cutter. Alright guys, I'm going to hang it up. We'll talk to you in the next video. One more flip, huh?